In climate, we were discussing about the monsoon. The Indian monsoon signifies a marked seasonal reversal of winds direction between summers and winter. All the special characteristics of monsoonal circulation over the Indian subcontinent are explained by the topography, the high mountain chain of Himalaya which border the subcontinent on its three sides work as both brake and a motor at the same time. During the winter, these Himalaya prevent the cold air mass to enter in India which come from the Siberia. In summer, this mountain chain do not allow the equatorial maritime air mass to cross the Himalaya and force the air mass which come from Indian Ocean side to cause rainfall here. The mighty Himalaya, this Himalaya mountain, produces hydrodynamic effects that determine the types of precipitation in India. During the summer, we can understand the mechanism of monsoon during the summer season with the help of surface pressure and wind condition. During the summer, the sunshine shift northward, due to which intense heating of the land which result in the formation of a permanently low pressure area in the northwestern part of the country. It is here in this region a low pressure area develop during the summer season in the month of May and June. As summer begins, the Indian subcontinent undergoes through a complete reversal of temperature and pressure. By the middle of July, ITC-Z shift northward roughly parallel to the 20° north to 25° north in between here, this region. In this ITC-Z shifts, this is the reason during the July ITC-Z shifts, and this ITC-Z attract the inflow of winds from different direction, from the Arabian Sea side and from Bay of Bengal side. During the hot dry season, when the temperature rises rapidly and pressure over the land decreases, the warm and moist air from over the adjacent sea start blowing toward the above mentioned this low pressure area of ITC-Z. In the by the end of May and the first week of June, when the low pressure center was fully developed here, the pressure gradient is steepened so that even the trade wind from the southern hemisphere, from this side, from southern hemisphere, start blowing toward the Indian subcontinent. The southerly trade wind after crossing equator, this region after crossing equator are deflected to the rights in accordance with the Ferrer law. This Ferrer law changes the direction of wind toward the right side in northern hemisphere. Now after this, the originally southeast trade wind became here by here. This was down of equator. This was this south. This trade wind was southeast. But as this crosses equator, this turn into southwest trade wind. And now on contrary to this, the high pressure area develop over the extensive area of Indian Ocean. Here in Arabian Sea and in the South Indian Ocean. And this southwesterly onshore wind blowing toward the center of low pressure, this side till here, over the northern India and traverse thousands of miles over the warm tropical ocean. These winds full of the winds which is come in the form of southwest monsoon is full of moisture, and this wind have great potential for heavy precipitation, right, and this causes rainfall. And after reaching here in the south of Indian Peninsula, this air mass, this southwest monsoon divided into two parts. One enter from this side, from Arabian Sea side, another from Bay of Bengal side. This way Indian monsoon is divided into two branches. One is Arabian Sea branch of monsoon, Arabian Sea branch, and Bay of Bengal branch of monsoon. Arabian Sea branch of monsoon enter from Arabian Sea side and causes very heavy rainfall here over the western coastal areas of peninsula after striking with Western Ghat, and one branch crosses the Gujarat, enter into the Rajasthan and reach over here without doing rain in Rajasthan is the Himalayan mountain and does very high rainfall in the sub-Himalayan region, right? And this branch of monsoon, Bay of Bengal branch of monsoon, enter through the Bay of Bengal but do not cause rain over the eastern coastal plain in Tamil Nadu, Orissa and Andhra Pradesh region, as this is in rain shadow zone of this monsoon branch, and this enter here in the Bengal Delta and does very heavy